Hello guys, welcome back to another inspo. For today's video, here we're going to show you or discuss with you how to fix Dell Latitude 5420 not turning on. So if you're interested, let's get started. So there are going to be a few things that you could do here. So first things first is you might want to check your battery first. So in this case, you want to press the battery status button, so if it's available, and if no LED lights up here, then the battery may be discharged or faulty. Now, in this case, you want to remove and reinsert the battery if it's removable and ensure it clicks security into place. Now, try turning on the laptop without the power adapter, and if it doesn't work, reconnect the adapter and try again. Now, another thing you could try here is you might want to check the power supply itself. Now, ensure the power outlet is working by plugging another device. Inspect the power adapter and cable for any damages or irregularities, and also check if the LED light on the adapter is on, indicating it's actually receiving power. And also make sure the adapter is firmly connected on both the laptop and the power outlet. Now, also maybe try using a different device in that outlet and see if it charges properly, just to make sure it's working. But yeah. Now, the last thing that you could try doing here is you may want to basically perform a power reset. Now, what you need to do is you want to go and remove anything that is connected to your laptop here, including USB devices and external monitors. Now, you want to press and hold the power button for about 15 to 20 seconds to discharge any residual power. Now, from then on, you want to go and reinsert the battery if you've removed this before and reconnect the power adapter and try turning on your laptop. Now, usually it's because of some glitches inside your laptop, and sometimes draining the power itself can help you a lot. Also, alternatively, you could go ahead and try leaving your laptop for a whole day or even a few days if you can. So, yeah. So, in this case, that's about it. Hopefully, this video is able to help you. Like and subscribe to NF Inspo. Thank you for watching.